Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say.
We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple.
We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.